You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very curious word. I love this word. I actually quite love the object as well. Very practical, very useful. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary like this, stay tuned. The British English pronunciation is as tarpaulin. Tarpaulin. A stress on the second syllable, the pa syllable, tarpaulin. Now the American English pronunciation, the way it's usually pronounced in the US, is as tarpaulin. Tarpaulin. Tarpaulin, American English, or British English. Tarpaulin. Tarpaulin. And now you know. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.